Travels with Oz.
Road trip.
Hi.
It's something casting. No, I see what it is now. There's a jet stream up here, and it's directly in line with the sun, which is casting a shadow.
We check out Valleyforge and then we head over to Philadelphia. Here lies Benjamin Franklin. You can tour the cemetery at the church for $3 an adult. Now off to Independence National Historic Park Visitor Center. Remnants of the old buildings. Independence Hall getting a facelift. We tried to tour it, but it was closing. And the lines were outrageously long, even on a weekday. Now driving south from Old Town to South Philadelphia to the Italian market. Oz and I get Gino's, and we go across the street to Garage Pashunk to sit down and have a beer with our Philly cheesesteak. Which one do you prefer? Pat's? Or Gino's? We prefer Gino's, with their real chopped steak, fresh mushrooms, and cherry peppers on the side. Yum. Home of the Philadelphia Eagles, where you can no longer tailgate. Crossing over the Ben Franklin to get to the Jersey Shore.
This is, what was it called?
We enjoy the sunset. Oz and I decide to go to the beach and play in the water a little bit. Pretty. It's a sandbar.
That's funny.
Little limpets. See their tails come out. There you go, into the sand.
There you go, there's a bunch of them.
Help me. I need some.
You can see his tongue.
My fat finger gets in the way. Hi, Mom. Thanks for watching, y'alls.